Gabriella spent 12 years in corporate recruiting. She reviewed thousands of resumes. She knows exactly why 90% get rejected in the first 30 seconds, especially now that most companies use AI to screen candidates. She packaged that knowledge into a $47 guide. And last month, she made $6,000. Now, she didn't film any videos. She doesn't have a large Instagram following. She just knew something people desperately need right now. Here's what gets me. Gabriella almost didn't do it. She said, well, I'm just an HR person who would pay for that knowledge. Anyone who needs a job, that's who. I'm Jillian Leslie, co-founder of MiloTree, the platform that lets you sell digital products, grow your audience, and offer coaching with no website and no complicated tech. Today, I want to show you how to figure out exactly what to sell from your own experience, priced correctly, and how MiloTree's new AI features get you from I have no idea what to sell to a product ready to launch in one afternoon. Here's the mistake most people make. They think a digital product business requires you to be a guru, a content creator, or some kind of big influencer. Well, it doesn't. It requires you to be useful, and you already are, because every job gives you knowledge someone else desperately needs. So an HR recruiter knows what gets resumes rejected. A bookkeeper knows the 3 QuickBooks mistakes that quietly cost small businesses thousands of dollars. A yoga instructor knows why most beginners quit in week 2. People pay for results. They don't care about your credentials. They care that it works. Now, not every skill translates into a product people will buy. So here's the filter I use. There are 6 reasons people buy anything: to make money, save time, move toward happiness, move away from pain, or raise their social status. Now, the 2 that consistently command the highest prices: make money and save money. So ask yourself, does what I know help someone make money or save money? Now, Gabriella's resume guide, pure money. Someone lands a $65,000 job using a $47 guide. That's the most powerful buying trigger there is. A bookkeeper's QuickBooks mistake guide, well, that helps somebody save money. So small businesses will pay $97 without blinking. But a teacher's classroom management system, okay, that saves people time, moves them away from pain. That's real value. But a lower price ceiling. That's why Gabriella can charge $47 and it feels like a steal, while a $37 teacher template feels a little expensive. So the trigger determines the price. To make it easy to find your product, I want to give you something for free. I put together a PDF called 3 AI Prompts to find and launch your digital product before your competition does. 3 copy and paste prompts that walk you through this exact process. So prompt 1, find your product idea using a before and after transformation angle. Prompt 2, identifies your dominant buying trigger, rewrites your product name around it so the name itself does a lot of the selling. And prompt 3 locks in your price, format, and tells you exactly what to include, so you can create this product this weekend and it will not take you 6 months. So you can grab it for free. The link is in the description below. Now here's the honest truth. These prompts work really well, but we built something even more powerful inside MiloTree, and you can access it for free. It's MiloTree's AI Product Finder. It does all 3 steps in about 60 seconds without you having to think about anything. You can do it manually with the prompts and ChatGPT or Claude, or you can let MiloTree do it for you. So let me show you what I'm talking about. Inside MiloTree, you'll see this overlay that says, how would you like to get started? So I click this button that says, help me find what to sell. Now, I answer these 3 questions. What are you good at? Well, if I'm Gabriella, I'm going to type in recruiting and resume writing. Who do you help? I'm going to say job seekers. What type of product do you want to sell? I'm going to say digital download. I hit show me product ideas, and look at this. 3 specific product ideas. These are not vague suggestions. These are actual products with names, prices, what to include, and how long it will take to create and how much you'd make selling just 10 per month. These are real products, real price points, and a clear list of exactly what goes into each one. I picked the resume refresh bundle. I click I want to sell this, and MiloTree pre-fills the product name, price, and description. I tweak anything I want to, hit save, and I'm done setting up my product. Now, here's the part people overthink. Well, how do I actually create the product to sell? And this is exactly what MiloTree's AI product roadmap is for. Once you pick your product idea, MiloTree gives you a personalized step-by-step roadmap with AI prompts. You copy and paste directly into ChatGPT or Claude and make it yours prompts that help you add your own experience, your own personal touch. You're not staring at a blank page. You're actually just following a simple recipe. Once you're finished creating your product in, say, a Google Doc, copy and paste it into ChatGPT or Claude and ask it to turn it into a formatted PDF. Done. You, right here in MiloTree, upload that PDF directly, and we automatically deliver it to every customer. You never touch it again. Your product is uploaded. You click this button here, MiloTree's AI generates your sales page in seconds. You get a shareable link to that sales page. You're gonna put it everywhere, on Pinterest, in Facebook groups, in your emails, in your Instagram bio. This is your entire launch. And here's something most people don't realize. MiloTree isn't just for digital download. So once you've made your first sale, you have options. Let me show you what Gabriella's full stack of products actually looked like last month. Her $47 resume bundle, she made 80 sales. So that's her main product. MiloTree then automatically offered a $27 cover letter template pack to her customers on her checkout page as an order bump, and about 45% of her buyers added it. That's another $972 without a single extra pitch. 8 of those buyers went on to buy her $97 Land the Job workshop, and 3 people booked a $150 one-on-one coaching call with her as an upsell. So a $47 guide, a $27 order bump, a $97 workshop, and a $150 coaching session. $6,000 a month, 1 area of expertise, 4 ways to sell it. Here's what to do right now. Grab the 3 free prompts in the description or go straight to MiloTree.com and let our AI product finder build your first product for free, no credit card. That gets you selling today. But remember how Gabriella actually hit $6,000. It wasn't the $47 guide on its own. It was the order bump, the upsell, the coaching call stacked on top. And that stack is exactly what the MiloTree Grow Plan unlocks. $25 a month, billed annually. That is how one piece of expertise becomes 4 ways to get paid. Start free today, and the moment you're ready to stack, upgrade. You already have the product inside. Let's package it. I'm Jillian Leslie. Watch my next video where I show you the exact free traffic strategies that are working right now to get your first buyers, even if you have 0 followers and nobody on your email list. It's one of my most popular videos ever, and it is right here.